I'm Jessica Lanning. I run a personal financial planning company. I frequently get the question, Jessica, if I spend this amount of money on my house on this particular improvement, how much will it improve my house? And I have a couple things to say about that. First of all, let's be honest about why this question is coming up. Typically, somebody's trying to justify the expense. If you want to spend money on your house and you want to spend money on yourself, spend money on yourself. You don't need to necessarily justify it by saying my house is going to be worth that much more. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that your financial planner is probably not the best person to ask this question. And I say that because it's not what we do every day. We can guess at it, but it's not what we do. What you really want to do is talk to your local realtor and say, hey, I'm thinking about doing this improvement to my house. How much value is that going to add to my house? Now you have to be careful about this because if you add square footage, for example, that's a permanent addition to your home, it's probably going to last that additional value for a long time. But let's say, for instance, that you're just upgrading a kitchen. That's super awesome for maybe another 5 or 10 years, but in 20 years, that kitchen's going to be really dated and now the value has really depleted. So you just want to be really mindful about, okay, why am I making this expense? Am I really just trying to justify it by saying my house is going to be worth more? And if that is really important to me, get a really good answer. So let me give you an example. I want to show you our igloo. This is our igloo. And it is a geodesic dome made of this polycarbonate stuff. I don't know what. We love this thing. We eat dinner in it every night and we hang out there and it's just super, super fun. Does it add a ton of value to our lives and do we love it? Absolutely. Did the appraiser count it in the extra square footage when he was last out here? Absolutely not. Does it add value to the home if somebody wanted to come by and buy it? Yeah, the right buyer might pay a little bit extra to have the geodesic dome, but really, this is something that we love that's important to us, and the value to other people is not that important to us. And is it really adding value to the house if we were to sell it? Probably not. So just be mindful about what you're asking yourself, why you're asking yourself that question. If you really want to know the answer as to how much it's going to improve the value of your house, you really need to talk to a realtor. I'm Jessica Lanning. Lanning does planning. If you'd like to explore working with me, please go to my website at lanningfinancial.com and click the button to see if we're a good fit. I look forward to talking to you.